Welcome to my Oster Pro 1200 blender review. If you're looking for a versatile kitchen powerhouse that can handle all your blending and food processing needs, then the Oster Pro 1200 might be exactly what your kitchen has been missing. Get ready to harness serious blending muscle with 1200 watts of pure power. The Pro Blender's dual direction blade system moves ingredients both forward and reverse, pushing food right into the blades for smoother results. These blades are 50% larger than older Oster models. You'll love having 7 different speeds plus 3 handy preset programs for perfect smoothies, milkshakes, and salsas at the touch of a button. The Pulse feature gives you precise control when you need it. The sturdy glass jar stands up to heavy use, while the strong motor tackles tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice with ease. Your morning smoothies will come out silky smooth without any chunks of spinach or fruit getting stuck. You'll get a 6-cup glass jar for big batches, plus a 24-ounce smoothie cup for single servings. The 5-cup food processor bowl comes with both slicing and chopping blades to handle your meal prep needs. A 10-year warranty on the all-metal drive system means you can blend confidently for years to come. The 900 watts of ice crushing power turns ice to snow in seconds flat. Dual direction blade technology sets this blender apart from standard models. The blades spin both forward and reverse, pushing ingredients down toward the cutting surface for smoother blending. You'll notice faster results and fewer chunks thanks to blades that are 50% larger than previous Oster models. The sharp stainless steel blades make quick work of frozen fruits and ice. Your smoothies blend evenly without getting stuck or requiring you to stop and shake the container. The blade design works efficiently across all attachments, from the glass jar to the food processor bowl. The precision blade system combines with 1200 watts of power to crush ice and pulverize tough ingredients. You won't find stringy pieces of kale or chunks of frozen fruit in your smoothies. The innovative blade design helps ingredients flow naturally toward the cutting surface rather than getting stuck on the sides. The glass pitcher sets this blender apart from cheaper plastic alternatives, offering better longevity and temperature resistance. You'll appreciate how the sturdy base doesn't wobble during operation, while the stainless steel blade stays sharp through repeated use. The motor delivers reliable performance without overheating, even when processing tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice. All attachments connect securely with a satisfying click and remain firmly in place during blending. The food processor attachment matches the blender's build quality with durable plastic construction and sharp blades that maintain their edge. You'll find the smoothie cup equally well made, featuring thick BPA-free plastic that resists scratches and stains. A few users note that the food processor lid can be slightly tricky to align perfectly. However, the controls feel solid and responsive, with clearly marked buttons that provide good tactile feedback. Modern kitchens deserve appliances that look as good as they perform. The brushed nickel finish on this Pro 1200 creates an elegant, contemporary appearance that fits perfectly with other stainless steel appliances. The sleek design features clean lines and a professional-grade appearance you'll be proud to display on your countertop. Its compact footprint takes up minimal space while still offering a generous 6-cup glass jar capacity. The control panel has a streamlined layout with easy-to-read buttons and settings. Premium stainless steel accents complement the durable metal components, giving you both style and substance. Now for the pros and cons part of my Oster Blender Pro 1200 review. Starting with the pros, the 1,200 watt motor packs serious power for crushing ice and frozen fruits. Glass jar is more durable than plastic and won't absorb food odors. Dual direction blade system makes ingredients flow better for smoother blends. 7 speed settings give you precise control over texture. 3 preset programs take the guesswork out of making smoothies, shakes, and salsas. The 24-ounce smoothie cup is perfect for single servings. All-metal drive system comes with a 10-year warranty. Food processor attachment handles basic chopping and slicing tasks well. As for the cons, the food processor bowl is a bit small for large batches. Some users report the smoothie cup can be tricky to seal properly. Takes up more storage space than a standard blender. Preset programs aren't customizable, can be loud during operation, more parts to clean and store compared to a basic blender. This well-rounded kitchen companion brings serious power to your daily blending needs. The glass jar handles hot and cold ingredients with ease, while the extra smoothie cup lets you blend and go. The food processor attachment adds great value, making it a versatile 3-in-1 system for your counter. The Pro 1200 excels at crushing ice and frozen fruits, making it perfect for smoothies and shakes. You'll appreciate that the powerful motor handles tough ingredients without stalling or requiring constant shaking. A few minor drawbacks exist. It's a bit loud during operation and takes up more storage space than a standard blender. The price point sits higher than basic models, but the functionality and durability make it worthwhile for most kitchens. And with that said, I really hope my Oster Pro 1200 blender review helped you to make a buying decision.